The Google Pixel 10 has been an interesting phone since launch, especially because of its custom Tensor G5 chip. On paper, the chip promised better performance, smarter AI features, and improved efficiency. However, real-world results have been mixed, particularly when it comes to gaming. Many users noticed unstable frame rates, stutters, and inconsistent performance in demanding games. Now, things may finally be changing, as Google is rolling out a major GPU driver update that could give the Pixel 10 the performance boost it has been missing. At the heart of this update is the GPU inside the Tensor G5 chip. The Pixel 10 uses Imagination PowerVR GPU, specifically the IMG PowerVR XT481536. Google worked closely with Imagination to design this GPU. But there is an important detail many people overlook. Imagination keeps full control over the core GPU drivers. This means Google can adjust certain things like power management and AI-related workloads, but it must rely on Imagination for deep driver updates that directly affect graphics performance. When the Pixel 10 launched, it shipped with an older GPU driver. This outdated software quickly became a problem. Developers and users alike pointed out that many games were not optimized for the older driver version. In fact, the situation became so serious that the developers of Genshin Impact reportedly dropped support for the driver entirely. That decision alone highlighted how far behind the GPU software was compared to what modern mobile games expect. Now, with the Android 16 QPR3 Beta 1 update, Google is finally rolling out a new GPU driver for the Tensor G5. The driver version jumps from 400 to 1634-2926. While those numbers may not sound exciting, the improvements behind them are significant. This update brings full support for Android 16, Vulkan 1.4, and several other enhancements that Imagination had promised months ago. Vulkan 1.4 support is especially important. Vulkan is a modern graphics API used by many high-end mobile games to deliver better visuals and smoother performance. Without proper Vulkan support, games can struggle to run efficiently, even on powerful hardware. With this new driver, the Pixel 10 should finally be able to take full advantage of its GPU architecture, at least on the software side. This update is expected to improve real-world gaming performance in several ways. First, frame rate stability should be better, especially in graphically demanding games. Second, compatibility issues with certain titles may be resolved, allowing more games to run as intended. Third, overall graphics efficiency should improve, which could also help with battery life during gaming sessions. Of course, expectations should be realistic. A driver update can fix a lot of issues, but it cannot magically turn the Tensor G5 into a gaming monster overnight. Benchmark tests will be crucial in showing how big the performance jump actually is. Early benchmarks after the update will likely focus on frame rates, thermal behavior, and long-term stability under heavy load. There is also another interesting detail about the Tensor G5's GPU. The Imagination GPU inside the chip technically supports ray tracing. Ray tracing is an advanced graphics feature that improves lighting, reflections, and shadows, making visuals look more realistic. However, Google chose not to enable ray tracing support in its implementation of the GPU. This was likely done to reduce costs or avoid extra complexity, but it does mean the Pixel 10 is not using the GPU's full potential. Even without ray tracing, this driver update could mark a turning point for the Pixel 10. Many users felt that the hardware had more to give, and that software was holding it back. If this update delivers as expected, it could restore confidence in Google's Tensor strategy, at least when it comes to graphics performance. In the bigger picture, this situation highlights how important software support is for custom chips. Powerful hardware alone is not enough. Drivers, optimization, and long-term updates play a massive role in how a device performs over time. For Pixel 10 owners, this update is a welcome step in the right direction, and it may finally allow the Tensor G5 to show what it can really do.